Hi, today we're going to talk about how to create a boundary from coverage. With the coverage loaded, select the field menu, then scroll down to the Create Boundary from Coverage icon. Turn off the excluded regions and touch the green tick to continue. Then tick to proceed with the boundary creation. You can now see the blue boundary around the coverage. Following the same process, you can also include an exclusion region. Turn the excluded regions on and set the minimum excluded area using the calculator. Tick to create the boundary, then tick to accept. The exclusion region now has a boundary and area. Touch the exclusion region and name it using the on-screen keyboard. Try to make the name meaningful. Tick to save the name, then lastly tick to update. And that's how you create a boundary from a coverage. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.